In this English lesson, you will learn various ways to say walk. Now, walking is a great way to exercise and, of course, stay in shape. Walking can be done anywhere and at any time, whether it be inside, outside, in the summer, or in the winter. And there are some people that walk every day just to keep the blood flowing and to keep their heart strong. Now, instead of saying walking, first you could say stroll. A stroll is a relaxing or casual walk. And when you take a stroll, you are in no hurry to go anywhere. You could say, we took a stroll through the mall over the weekend. Or you might say, we took a stroll through the park because it was a beautiful day. So instead of saying walk, you could say stroll. Another way to say walk is to say pace. A pace is when you walk in a back and forth direction when you're usually nervous, stressed, or uptight. You might say she paced around the waiting room while her husband was in surgery. She was very concerned, so she was pacing. Or you might say he had a nervous pace while his son took his driving test. Finally, another way to say walk is to wander. To wander is to walk around with no certain destination. Now, you might say, we wandered around the parking lot looking for an open space to park. Or you might say we wandered about the city looking for a good restaurant because we were hungry. So remember, instead of saying walk, you can say pace, stroll, or wander. Hey, thanks so much for watching this short English lesson. Now, do you have a question or a comment about today's lesson? Make sure you leave it in the comment section for me to answer as I go through all of the comments. Now, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe and like my video. That would really help me out. And I hope you join me next time right here on the channel. Have a wonderful day.